Hey guys, Amelia here with Mama Bear Reviews, and today I'm here to talk about a very handy travel gadget, two of them actually, and let's just get right into it. I have the perfect little gadgets for you that works perfect for traveling, for camping, for everyday use. Basically anywhere you can go, this can go with you. So let's get into it. So first we have the Staresso coffee maker. So it comes like this. It's the cutest little coffee espresso brewer. So it comes apart, and it even comes with a little cup, so you can just drink straight out of it. You don't need any extra stuff. All you need is water and some espresso, and you are good to go. So we're actually going to demonstrate how to do this. So first, you take this bottom part off. I actually have a video on my social media if you want to go check it out, a more kind of in-depth look into it. So you have this, you take your espresso or coffee beans or whatever, this little thing actually comes with it. Like I said, perfect for travel. So you just pour that on in there, right? You can use the back to like pack it down. Okay, and you put this back on here. Like I said, I love that this is super travel friendly. It even comes with a carrying case and a cloth to wrap it in. So super handy. You put that on, put this part on, you can see. And then there is a fill line in here, and you just pour it with some hot water. So I microwave some hot water. So if you're in a hotel room, usually most hotel rooms have a microwave, so you can just pop some water in the microwave and pour it on in there. It gives you a line in here so you know exactly how much to use. And then you just pop. This lid pops up like that. So you just screw this on. And once you pump it and the espresso will come out here, and you can have a nice warm cup of espresso. But what I'm actually going to do is show you how this new product that Staresso has on their Kickstarter program is called the ROCK2MORE, and it's this handy travel shaker. You can make a ton of different stuff with it. I made a salad dressing right there with it. Super easy shaker. There's lines on it, so you can see the max fill line makes up to 12 ounces. I've used it for protein shakes. I've used it for, like I said, cocktails, salad dressings. Super versatile. But what you can do is pair these together and make a cappuccino or matcha, or whatever you have. So this little blender thing here, so this actually is magnetic. So you pop the lid off and it detaches. It's this just little cylinder blender, super easy. It's not super sharp, so you know, I don't think TSA would have an issue with it, but check first. Anyway, so this just magnetically attaches. You pour whatever liquid in here, but today we're going to do like a cappuccino thing. So I have some hot milk, like I said, or you can use matcha or whatever you have. So I'm going to fill this up to the 8 ounce. And then you just put this on and shake it for like 15 to 20 seconds, and you have some frothed milk that will go perfect with your cappuccino. So then you just shake it. Super easy. Like I said, this is perfect to travel or camping. If you go camping or you're in an RV or something like that, or you can have it in your car. But it would be perfect for camping to see. You can already see it kind of like frothing up, and it's like doubled in size now. That's what you want. And these are compatible, so this top will actually fit directly on this and make the perfect little cappuccino for you to take on the go. Like I said, you could easily make this in the morning and drop the kids off at school. So we got it. It's pretty much doubled in size now. Nice and frothy. Okay, if you're a cappuccino person, you just take the lid off. Ooh, yes, nice and foaming. Perfect. And then if you don't want just like shots of espresso, this makes the perfect Christmas gift. I'm actually gonna give it to one of my family members for Christmas because he travels all the time and he would love it. This actually could fit right on the top, and then you can put your espresso right into the milk and be on your way. So it'll take a few times to pump it to get the pressure. But then once, I don't know if you can see it kind of getting put in there. So yeah, you just keep pumping and it makes it. And like I said, super handy, super affordable if you don't want to go buy like this big expensive espresso machine. And like I said, perfect for traveling. Like I think when we go camping this summer, I'm going to take these because it really is so much easier than trying to lug a coffee machine in an RV or even a tent. Perfect. And it'll get lighter to push, meaning it's done. And then this just comes right off. And you have your nice cappuccino. I don't know if you can see in there without it. It's all nice and foamy. You got the cappuccino with the milk, the warm milk. It's hot, but it tastes good. Like I said, super easy, super compact. You know, put that back on, you're ready to go. Super easy to wash too, because it's really only 3 parts. Like you have this bottom part, you have this magnetic part, and then you have the lid. Super easy to wash. There's no like tiny little nooks and crevices you have to get into to wash it. And then this is, you know, super easy to detach, wash, go, like I said. And they all are super compact, could fit in a suitcase, could fit in an RV, tent, your car, wherever you go, it can go. Definitely recommend, like I said, this is out now. You can get this on their website. I'll link it all below. This is on their Kickstarter program. Go check them out. I will link that below. And now I'm going to show you another way to use this. Let's get into cocktail time. Okay, so now we are back with the cocktail portion of the hour. So I just showed you how to do it using a cappuccino, make a cappuccino on the go. Now I'm going to show you how to end your day using the ROCK2MORE. Like I said, I washed it out, super easy, 3 parts, took me like 10 seconds. Now I will show you how to make your favorite cocktail. So what you can do is you can either add ice and mix it like a regular cocktail shaker, but I prefer to just have my ice in my glass and then put everything in here, mix it up a little bit and go. You can do it either way, totally doesn't matter. I think it gets a better mix just without the ice in it, but that's just a personal preference. So we're gonna do a sort of rum pineapple concoction. So we're gonna add our liqueur. And then we're gonna add some pineapple juice. Okay. Then we're gonna add a splash of grenadine. Perfect. And it turns this beautiful color. So you have all your stuff in there. You can make whatever drink you want with it. It's super versatile, but this sounded good. So you have everything in there. Give it a mix, super easy. Give it a good shake. It's not heavy either. Like, that's another thing. Like, it's super light and you can travel with it super easy. So you have your glass with your garnish. You are ready. Smells so good. You have your glass and then just pour it on right in and you are ready to enjoy your cocktail. Like I said, this ROCK2MORE is super versatile, whether you need coffee to get your morning started and a cocktail to end your day. It's got you covered. That's what I love about it. Like, I honestly think if I was to travel, I would definitely take this our next trip because, like I said, I can have my coffee in the morning, my cocktail in the room at night, and it's much cheaper than ordering a drink at the bar. Or like you said, if you're camping, super easy. Make everyone their individual drinks without it taking forever and getting a bunch of dirty cups and shakers and everything else. You could easily rinse this out, throw some soap, give it a swirl, and make everyone's signature individual drink. So like I said, it's available on Kickstarter. Go check them out. And personally, I like it. I think it's super simple, works super well. I think anyone can use it. And definitely go check out the espresso, the portable espresso maker from Staresso. Amazing. Like I said, I've used it for about 6 months now. No real complaints. And yeah, so definitely go check it out. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.